In this video, we cover how to change your background in a virtual meeting. To find the UAB-themed virtual backgrounds, visit uab.edu/toolkit. Go to Branding in the navigation. Under Download Branded Items, select Virtual Backgrounds. Download your preferred background. To change your background in Zoom, click your avatar and find Settings. Select Virtual Background. Click the plus sign and add your custom image. Select the images you've downloaded to add to Zoom. To change your background in Microsoft Teams, start or join a Teams video meeting. Click the three dots in the call bar. Select Show Background Effects. Choose and preview the background. If you're not interested in a background, you can use the blur feature. Apply and turn on your video. For more information and resources, visit go.uab.edu/remotework.